Peace be upon you, my brothers. Today we have a G60 BMW 2024. Accidents exposed. Of course, the car does not work because the race is body. We try to occupy it as soon as it beats. Of course we are others. Fuse, the one who comes on the battery. We changed this fuse that comes on the battery here, and the car is still not working. We have to do it. Race set crash. The right of the 48-volt battery that comes in the back here. This is the 48-volt battery that we must wear in 2 ways in. We can break it without breaking it now. We will try without breaking it. We attach a device to it, and we will see the holidays, my brothers. The 48 battery, which is AT340M or GC shadow in respasto in back destruction. I mean, the car is fine. The car IC is shot. Now we go to prepare an OSTEC. I will show her how to program her right. How to program the battery 48 above without disassembling it. The hotel is a little BMW Shui slow outlet. And go. Surfs. Then we go to the powertrain. We are. Race start starter look. Now we are nearest. Starter look. Okay, that's okay. We go to the Utascan and do an examination for her. Volt scan. This is the 48-volt battery, right? And we equal quick iris. We wipe the faults. We clear faults that's battery 48 volts. Its color has become green. Switch off. We call God. We work in the name of God. I worked in the name of God. Happy. In the name of God. God willing, the car will work. I don't expect if you hear the car or not. This is the machine working 100%. Greetings to you. If you're dealing with a no-start issue, here's a quick tip. Always start with the basics. Check the battery, alternator, and starter. If those are fine, move on to the fuel system and ignition system. And don't forget to check the fuses and relays. They're often overlooked, but can cause major issues.
Nice.